WhatsApp status is a great way to communicate with your friends and family. You can share anything from current moods to funny jokes. But if you like your friends' WhatsApp status like photos or video and you want to download it but you can't, cause WhatsApp disappear it. But today I will share with you a free application that will give you the facility to download the WhatsApp status for free. So I talk about WhatsApp application and their main feature is WhatsApp transfer between Android to iPhone without PC. Yes, no need to PC to do the work. Just need a OTG adapter to transfer WhatsApp across the platform. But today we try their free features that called WhatsApp Saver. Now see how it's work. So first you have to download the application from the Play Store. Also link given in the description. Then after download, just open it and click WhatsApp Toolkit. Then click WhatsApp Saver. Here you see 3 simple steps to download the WhatsApp status. Go to your WhatsApp and just view your friend's WhatsApp status. That can be photos or videos, anything. Then you just come back WhatsApp apps and then you can see those status here. Also below you can see the save option to save it on your phone. As simple as that. Hope you all the guys can understand how I did it. To download the product, check on the description box. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.